Group therapy can be an effective format for delivering acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, providing unique benefits that individual therapy may not offer. This segment focuses on the dynamics of conducting ACT in group settings, exploring how the principles of ACT can be effectively implemented to benefit all group members. Shared experience. Group therapy provides a sense of community and support, as members realize they are not alone in their struggles. This can reduce feelings of isolation and stigma, particularly important in managing conditions like anxiety or depression. Peer learning. Members can learn from each other's experiences and applications of ACT concepts, such as how others handle similar thoughts or feelings. Observing peers practicing acceptance or diffusion can be motivating and inspiring. Enhanced accountability. Being part of a group often increases commitment to therapeutic exercises and homework. Members may feel more motivated to follow through on commitments they have shared with the group. Structure and flexibility. While it's important to have a structured approach to cover all core ACT processes, flexibility is crucial to address the varying needs and reactions of group members. Safety and confidentiality. Establishing rules around confidentiality and respectful interaction is vital to create a safe environment where members feel comfortable sharing personal experiences and vulnerabilities. Skillful facilitation. The therapist must balance between guiding the group's focus on ACT principles and allowing space for individual experiences and interactions. Effective facilitation involves managing different dynamics and ensuring that each member feels heard and valued. Group exercises. Activities like role plays or shared mindfulness practices can help illustrate ACT concepts in action. For example, group members might role-play scenarios where they practice responding to negative thoughts with diffusion techniques. Values workshops. Group sessions dedicated to exploring and clarifying values can be particularly powerful. Members can help each other identify values by sharing insights or challenging each other's assumptions in supportive ways. Collective commitment exercises. Groups can set collective goals or commitments based on common values, which can be a powerful motivator for change. Each session might end with members stating their commitment for the week, which they will report on in the next session. Imagine a group ACT session focusing on work-related stress. The therapist introduces a mindfulness exercise where all members participate in guided breathing, focusing on their experiences and sensations in the moment. This is followed by a group discussion on instances where members became overly fused with their thoughts about work stress. The therapist then facilitates a values clarification exercise, asking each member to share personal values that impact their work life. This exercise leads to a group brainstorming session on ways to align daily work activities with these expressed values. Finally, the session concludes with a commitment round, where each member states one action they will take before the next meeting to work towards their values, such as setting boundaries at work or taking a real lunch break to disconnect and recharge. Group settings offer a unique platform for implementing acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, through various interactive exercises and activities. These are designed not only to teach ACT principles, but also to encourage cooperation, peer support, and collective problem solving. Here's an exploration of some effective exercises and activities that can be utilized in ACT group therapy sessions to enhance learning and engagement. 1. Mindfulness relay. This exercise involves group members participating in a relay of mindfulness activities, where each member leads a short 2 to 3 minute mindfulness exercise. This could be anything from guided visualization to a simple breathing technique. The relay format encourages participation and leadership, and members learn a variety of mindfulness practices they can use in their daily lives. 2. Values auction. In a values auction, group members are given a set amount of fictional currency to bid on values that they believe are most important to them. Each value, like family, career, health, etc., is auctioned one at a time. This activity not only makes the process of values clarification engaging and thought-provoking, but also helps members explore and articulate what truly matters to them in a fun and interactive setting. 3. Diffusion role-play group members pair up and engage in role-play exercises where one member expresses a common cognitive fusion, e.g., I must be perfect at everything I do, and the other practices responding with a diffusion technique, e.g., are you having the thought that you need to be perfect? This exercise helps members understand and practice the process of cognitive diffusion in a supportive environment. Number 4, the AC matrix in action. The ACT matrix is a powerful tool used to help visualize important components of ACT, behaviors towards and away from values, and internal and external experiences. In a group setting, creating a large floor matrix where members can physically place themselves can dynamically illustrate how actions are aligned or misaligned with their values. This can be particularly impactful in visualizing the consequences of actions and choices. Number 5. The lifeboat game. Members imagine that they are on a sinking ship with only one lifeboat left, which can only carry a limited number of people. Each person must advocate for a core value they would save by explaining how this value impacts their life significantly. This metaphorical and narrative approach helps deepen the personal connection to one's values and encourages listening and empathy within the group as members share personal stories and justifications. 6. Shared commitment wall. Create a commitment wall or board where at the end of each session, each member posts a sticky note with a commitment they are making for the following week, based on the session's work. This visual representation of commitments not only enhances accountability, but also builds a sense of community, as members see the collective efforts and support each other's commitments. Using these exercises in a group AC session fosters a dynamic learning environment where members can actively engage with and apply ACT principles. These activities encourage not just individual growth, but also build a community of support, making the journey towards psychological flexibility a collective endeavor. Through such interactive and reflective exercises, members can explore new ways of relating to their thoughts, feelings, and each other, enhancing their ability to live more fulfilling lives in alignment with their values.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.